In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 to Google Drive. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can link your Base44 workspace with your Google Drive and make file management a lot smoother. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, open Base44 in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This will open a small menu related to your account. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Account Settings. This is where Base44 keeps all of your personal and workspace configuration options. Click on Account Settings to move into the settings page. It may take a moment to load, especially if it's your first time opening it, so just give it a second. Once you're on the account settings page, you'll see different sections for things like your profile, workspace information, and connected apps or integrations. Find the area that refers to integrations or connected services, where Google Drive will be listed as one of the options. Next to Google Drive, you should see a button that says Connect. Click on that button to start the connection process. As soon as you click Connect, Base44 will open a new window or pop-up that takes you to the Google sign-in or permission screen. From here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. Select the Google account you want to use with Base44, or sign in if you aren't already. Then review the permissions that Base44 is requesting. These usually include access to view and manage files in the specific folders you'll be working with. If you're comfortable with the permissions, click Allow to confirm. After a moment, you'll be redirected back to Base44, and you should see that Google Drive now appears as connected in your account settings. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Base44 to Google Drive, and you're ready to start using your Google files directly within your Base44 workspace.